Welcome back, everyone. So today we're gonna make, man, it's dirty. Hold on. Welcome back, everyone. So today we're gonna make Maangchi's chicken wings, but we're gonna make it buffalo style. But we're gonna use our recipe to make it nice and crispy. You'll see. All right, let's get started. So let's cut these veggies. You know, you can't have wings without celery and carrots. All right, let's get started. Let me wash this real fast. So now that we have the carrots and celery cut, which we cut the celery in half to make it easier to bite into. I don't know, it's kind of like how restaurants do it. They kind of cheat you on the celery. And you order celery and they bring you like 6 pieces and they're cut in half. Let's cut these wings. I'm gonna use the drum, and someone made a comment saying, why don't you have the wing that no one likes? Some people like those wings. Well, all right, we'll make the drum and the wings. Let's get started. Okay, you see right here where the bone is at? We are gonna just break it, okay? Or just cut it right there. You see that? Perfect. And right here, we're just gonna cut it right here at the joint. Nice and easy. Take the wing. You see the joint right here? Take the knife, cut right at the joint. Take the drum, which everyone loves, toss it in the bowl. And the wing, which no one likes, we're gonna toss this in the bowl too. Now that the wings are cut, we're gonna make sure the wings are dry as possible. You don't want it wet, you want it dry. Also, don't leave the wings in the fridge. You want them room temperature because the cooking oil, when we're frying it, it'll lower the temperature if you leave it in the fridge. You know, so make sure you leave it room temperature. We're gonna pat down these wings right now and ensure they're dry. Let's pat it down. Okay, now, this recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt, baking soda, 1/3 cup of potato starch. Let's get all of that in there. And 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Now, let's mix up these wings. And we need one more thing, 1 egg. Now that the wings are mixed, we're gonna fry the wings. Set the stove to about 350 to 400. If you don't have a temperature gauge, just take a wing, and I'll show you right now. Here's a little trick. You see the bubbles? Place the wings into the oil, and if you see bubbles, that's exactly what we want. Now place all the wings, fry the wings for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when you're done, don't put the wings on a paper towel because it's gonna create steam and make the bottom of the wings soggy. So place it in this right here. That's exactly what you want, nice and golden and brown, 15 to 20 minutes. And make sure you cook the wings all the way. Don't pull a Hector and cook the wings 50% and they get mad later on like, the wings weren't cooked enough. Well, when it's golden and brown, you know. So, and if you see blood, everyone, the wing's not cooked all the way. So 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's cook the rest of these wings. So continue to place these wings in this colander. I'll place it in a bowl so it airs out to keep these wings nice and crispy. Nice and crispy, right? So to make the hot sauce, all you need is Frank's hot sauce and butter. Mix it up, and that's it. If you want mild, less hot sauce, and if you want it hotter, I guess more Frank's hot sauce. You also can dice in, a habanero or, chili peppers if you want to spice it up some more, but we're just going to use butter and Frank's hot sauce. So now let's make these wings. So now we're mixing a 1/3 cup of melted butter and a 1/2 cup of Frank's hot sauce. If you want it spicier, add more hot sauce. I toss in the wing. Mix it up. Easy, right? It took us about 30-35 minutes to make those buffalo chicken wings. I got a nice cold beer here, and I can't wait to try these out. Also, we had to cut up some celery and carrots, and we made that blue cheese dip. So let's do the taste test. You see that? Wow. Grab one of these, dip some of that blue cheese. It's amazing. I could say, but this is a pretty good chicken wing. Man, that was good. Crunchy, a little heat, and obviously you want to man up. You put some habaneros, dice it up, or add more Frank's hot sauce, or you can maybe blend 2 hot sauces. But this is really good. And it was crispy because we didn't put it on a paper towel or a towel. We put it on that colander, so it stayed dry and it was able to stay crispy. But it was pretty amazing. It was just like what I saw. It's just like the recipe. So try this at home, and if it doesn't taste good, it's probably because you did it wrong. I'm just joking. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button below. And have a great night.